Hi everyone and welcome. So today we're doing the time trial in the 1973 Skyline GT-R. So we'll take a quick look at it, folks, and then we'll do a lap. I mean, it's a stunning looking car. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome. I will, of course, try and bring you a time trial once a week, and I'll also mix in a few races as and when I get the chance. So this is the Kenmira GT-R. Never actually saw one of these in real life. I have seen an old 70s Nissan GT-R, but not this edition of it.
It's only sold for 3 months.
As you can see, it was only sold for 3 months after its debut.
A 200? That is not a lot of cars, guys. Okay guys, just purchased that car and we're going to take it for a spin on the time trial at the Red Bull Ring. Okay everyone, let's see where it comes. I mean, we're looking at it's not going to get, surely it's not going to be the 2-minute mark. Surely not. Can we hope for it to be around the 2-minute mark? Let's find out, shall we? Whoa. It's quite slidey, guys. Get that traction control off again. Oh, it's going to be difficult to put the power down. So I've already messed this first lap up. Okay, this is the lap we're going to go for it, guys. There you go, pretty steady lap, guys. That was 2:06. Not going to get anywhere near the 2 minute mark, that's for sure.
Okay, so we didn't bother with lap 3 because lap 3 was just an atrocious lap, actually. So I've completely skipped that out. So now we'll have a quick look at the replay, and you can watch the car going around the track, and you can see how wonderful this 70s car looked back in its day. Okay, everyone, so yeah, not the quickest car in the world, but you know what, it was still fun. I still enjoyed driving it around the track. So let's have a quick look and see what we did. It's not even in this section, you know, it's not even in the top 20. We've got to go across to have a look at it in its class. Yeah, it didn't fare that well. I don't think I drove it particularly well either, but it actually came behind the 70 production version. So yeah, all in all, not the best lap, but it's still fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to smash the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, and I will be sharing more of these in the coming weeks, as I have done it in the past. Thank you, and goodbye.